In this review, guys, I want to give you a disclaimer that if you use anything on your face, body, hair, anywhere, just do a patch test before using it, before like a night before it. You can apply it here or here and leave it for the night and see if there's any reaction on your body. And if there is no reaction, you can use this product. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you might have guessed from the title of this video that it is a review video. So these days, in such gloomy times, in such pandemic, we are all going through some or the other stress. So self-care is something which can really help you. Self-care means you're taking care of your face, your body, your skin, your hair, and I assure you that definitely uplifts your mood. So I usually have a self-care Sunday or any day whenever I have time or a holiday. I try and do my self-care that day. So I have added two products in my self-care which I'm going to share with you right now, and I'm also going to give you my review on them. So if you want to see what are those two products are and what is my verdict on them, please keep on watching. So the two products which I'm going to talk to you about today is this one from Amrutam, which is a charcoal face mask. Another one is also from Amrutam, which is their hair spa. So Amrutam is a Gwalior based brand. If you don't know where Gwalior is, it is in Madhya Pradesh, and it is a herbal brand which produces products which are related to self-care only, like hair, skin, body, face, lots of things. You might go through their website. I've put the link in the description also. You can go through their website and check out their products, and even you can order also from their website. So first we'll take a look into this product, which is a charcoal face mask, and I'm going to discuss the first thing about is its packaging. So its packaging is very simple. It has got a glass bottle, and inside this you can see a charcoal face mask like this. So you can see I have used so much of it, and this is a normal cap over it, and there are instructions written all over it, how to use it, what are the ingredients, what is the price, everything they have written it, which is a good thing because they are quite transparent with their ingredients also. This face mask claims that it deeply cleanses the skin impurities and gives youthful glow. So this is something which we can expect from a face mask, because we can't expect a face mask to get rid of our pimples or stop getting us pimples, because pimple is something we get it from inside. Whatever our body is going through, it comes out in the form of pimple or any other thing. So this particular thing implants that this thing is only going to clear your impurities and it will give you glow. So this is what it has done to my face. You're gonna see a demo right now, and post the demo you can see, post the application of this mask, you can see that my face had a little bit of glow, and it definitely helped me in getting rid of some tan over my forehead, which you're going to see right in this demo. I'm showing you that how it is going to be used. So I have used very little amount because I don't use face mask very rigorously. I use a very small amount on my face, and then you have to let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. And this mask is to be used for around 2 to 3 times a week, as they have said. But I think 2 to 3 times is too much for a face mask. You can use it 2 times or once a week also. It's going to give you the same results. And once it is dry, you have to scrub your face very gently and take off this mask. And then you have to splash it with water or normal water, and this will get off from your face. So as you can see that this imparts a little bit of glow on my face, and definitely it took off some tan from my forehead, because that is the mostly tan area of my face, and it took off some tan from my face, which I'm really happy about. The price of this product is rupees 1100 for 150 grams. As you can see in the demo also, the amount I have used on my face is very minimal, and with this quantity what we get in 1100 rupees, I think this is going to last me for an year almost. So I really like this product. The results are really nice. I really like that it little bit of tan it reduced on my forehead, and it gave me a more cleaner, more glowier face. Of course, I'm telling you, and even I told earlier, that face mask, whatever the result they give, it may last for that day or for the next day. It will not last you, like it will not give you a permanent glow. Any cream, any face mask is not going to give you permanent glow. You have to reuse them to reiterate their result. So make sure in mind, just keep this in mind, that any skincare or any face mask you use will give you the result for 1 or 2 days only, and then you have to reapply to get the same result. I think it dry me out after washing, I can say that. Any face mask dries out my skin, so this is nothing new for me. So I had to go ahead and apply my toner, my moisturizer, my facial oil, and then I was good for the day. There is a very herbally smell to this product, which I like. I know it might instigate, it might not be liked by a lot of people, but I like herbal smell, so I really like the smell of this face mask. So let's discuss the pros and cons of this face mask. So it is a herbal face mask. It smells good, for me at least. It takes off the impurities of your face. It gives you a little bit of glow, and if it also takes off some of the tan also. And it has a very cooling effect when you apply it. When you apply it on your face, it will give you a very cooling effect, as if you have little ice on your face. It's that great. So I really like this product. The cons are it's a bit costly, but if they have a smaller size, you can go ahead and try that also. I find it a little bit pricey, but otherwise I think this is a very good face mask. The next product is my favorite out of these two, and this is the Kuntal Care Hair Spa from the brand Amrutam. Also, I've seen a lot of beauty bloggers using it, and having rave reviews about it. So I wanted to try it, so I have to give it a try. So this is the bottle I have in my hand. So let's get into the review. Packaging of this bottle is that it is a plastic bottle. It's not a glass bottle. It comes with a cap like this, and it has a plastic opening again, and then you can open and take off the product. How the pricing of this product is rupees 649 for 200 ml, and it claims that it gives you a herbal hair treatment. So usually the hair spa we get at salon, they are supposed to make our hair softer and bouncier and all good things to our hair. So this is what this product is also claiming. So the directions to use this is that you have to apply it on your dry hair. You have to apply it like a hair mask from root till tip, and then you have to wait for 30 to 40 minutes, and then you have to wash it with a regular shampoo and conditioner. The demo of this product, so you can see that this product is little brown in color, brown and black middle, and it's have a jelly like consistency, jelly and a little bit the slush like consistency. I don't get the right word right now. So, and it has a little bit of grains also, so that might be the ingredients, and you have to apply it from the root till the tip, as I'm doing it. And I have a pretty medium length hair, so it took me 3 times I had to take it out, and you have to leave it for 30 to 40 minutes on your head. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and it does not drip. That is the best quality of this. It does not drip on your clothes, so you can wear anything and you can go ahead and apply this hair spa. It will not soil your clothes. And then I just washed it and followed it up with my shampoo and conditioner, and these are my wet hair, as you can see. So this is the final verdict time. So the texture of my hair has not changed much. It is like of the same texture. It has not made my hair any softer or anything. But the one big point which I really appreciate about this thing is that it has reduced my hair fall. Yes, you heard me right. It has reduced my hair fall considerably. Even if I brush my hands through this, now I used to have 4 to 5 hairs in my hand, but now I have only 1. You can see. So this has considerably reduced my hair fall, which I am so thankful, because I have been trying a lot of products for my hair fall, homemade mace, DIY hair mask also, but nothing was doing anything for me. But this product, it made this possible. It reduced my hair fall. I would not say stop my hair fall, because that is too much to say, but it did reduce my hair fall. Smell attached with this particular product, which I think most of people will not like, because because I love herbal smells, but I was also a little skeptical, like, oh, this is also a bit too much, because it lingers to your hair for 2 to 3 days. Might bother you, because even after shampoo, conditioner, and a hair serum, the smell is not going anywhere. It's a too strong a smell, but I find it pretty nice for the price it comes for, and it's a good product. It has really worked for me. As far as hair spa is considered, where you want your hairs to be shinier or brighter or smoother, that it will not give you. But what it helped me is that it has really reduced my hair fall. So if you are also suffering from hair fall, you can give it a try. I think this will do the trick for you, and it might work for you as it has worked for me. So I really like this product. You can definitely give it a try, and it is affordable also, so you can always experiment with this product on your hair. So that's it for this review, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this, and if you did so, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.